Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So finally we have got the update of BGMI and the servers are also live. But there's a small issue while running the game initially. We'll tell you guys how to fix and let's cross check how does this new update of BGMI performs on our OnePlus smartphones. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here we have our OnePlus 11 on which we'll play BGMI and we'll show you guys how does it perform now, because you guys must be aware BGMI used to lag a lot. Here we'll play a TDM and we'll see any frame drops happens after this new update or not, and we'll also see whether we have the support of 90 FPS or not. So soon you launch the game, you'll see an error. That's a temporary bug and it's been acknowledged by BGMI team, or you can say Krafton, which will be fixed very soon. So soon you start the game, you'll see this error and you won't be able to get rid of this. In that case, what you have to do is you need to turn off the mobile internet along with Wi-Fi. Make sure you disable both of them and then close the game and relaunch it. Once you relaunch, it will give you a network error message. As you can see here, it says unable to connect to server. Once you see this message, turn on your internet, tap OK, and boom, we are into the game now. So first of all, let me tell you, this is version 2.5. 2.6 is released only for global version, which is PUBG Mobile, not BGMI. Right now, as per the sources, BGMI will have one version lower compared to PUBG Mobile. In future, they might release the updates together, but right now, we'll have one lower version of BGMI compared to PUBG Mobile. So here you can see game is perfectly fine. We have a lot of changes in the UI. If you guys have been playing PUBG Mobile, then you must be aware about the changes. And if I show you the graphic settings, because a lot of users had been asking about the 90 FPS support. 90 FPS support is not available right now. You can see we have smooth and extreme, which will only provide 60 FPS. Let me also enable the system status. Here you can see max FPS support is 60. Right now, no 90 FPS support. In future, hopefully we might get to see 90 FPS support once BGMI add in the graphic settings. Currently it's not available. There are a lot of methods by which you can get 90 FPS, but I won't recommend. One of them is using GFX tool. But why do you guys want to take a chance? Because there are a lot of changes done in the security and privacy stuff. So avoid using any kind of additional tools to get 90 FPS. So what we'll do is we'll play one TDM and we'll see if we get to see any frame drops or not. I'll soon do dedicated gaming test now because I was waiting for BGMI return. And now you all know the game is back. So we'll be performing gaming test on our every OnePlus smartphone. Right now we'll play a TDM and we'll see how does it perform. We'll get some idea about the frame drops and how much they have optimized the game. So let's start at TDM first. Game feels pretty smooth now. If we compare the previous build. And you can see there is no frame drop, guys. Device is constantly maintaining between 55 to 60 FPS.
Expired! Cover me! Clear! Expired! Red team! No mercy! Enemy down! Reloading! Kill! Reloading! Great! You're about to win! In the lead! Clear! Blue team victory!
So guys, overall the performance is too good and I did not even see any kind of frame drops while gaming. Device was constantly delivering between 55 to 60 FPS, and I hope they optimize the game more for the full matches. I mean to say classic matches. Today I'll be testing out the game properly and you guys let me know on which device you want me to do a gaming review. Right now we also have OnePlus Pad on which review is pending. So I'll do it very soon. So if I talk about the gaming optimization, it is quite optimized and I don't see any kind of frame drops or heating issues. iOS users will be getting the update very soon. Till now there is no official confirmation. If we get any update about the iOS availability, we'll update you guys in the comment section. So guys, this was a small video on the latest update from BGMI. If you have any kind of question, you guys let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.